Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 19th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. On February 24th, we will celebrate Pink Shirt Day to bring an awareness against bullying. Students are encouraged to wear a pink shirt. Remember, the shirts can be purchased from our website under the Parents tab, then to the Uniforms submenu. On Tuesday, March 2nd at 4:30 p.m., we will have the Elementary Annual Parent Input Meeting known as the Comprehensive Needs Assessment Meeting. During this meeting, we ask parents to share their opinions on how we can improve PBMA to help it to be the very best school it can be for your student. I will send the Google Meet link for the meeting as the date gets closer. Please try to join us. Spring break is from Saturday, March 13th until Tuesday, March 23rd. Monday, March 22nd is a teacher workday. Elementary FSA testing is coming soon. Third grade reading and fourth and fifth grade writing FSAs are April 5th to 30th. Fourth and fifth grade reading, grades 3 to 5, math, and fifth grade science are May 3rd to 28th. We are thrilled to announce Miss Roop, our elementary principal, will be getting married on March 5th. After the wedding, Miss Roop's name will change to Mrs. Smith. Congratulations, Miss Roop and Mr. Smith. On Wednesday, we celebrated the 100th day of school. Thank you, teachers, for making our students 100 days smarter. Students created 100th day glasses, posters, and participated in STEM activities. First grade celebrated Random Acts of Kindness Day by creating a list of 100 ways to be kind. Here's Ms. Cruz's class to tell us all about it.
And here we have our first graders reading about our Random Acts of Kindness. Emma?
Return a neighbor's mail, send a neighbor a kind note, smile at our neighbors, wave at our neighbors, give a present, make cookies to surprise a neighbor, help with work or chores, help find their dog.
Nathaniel?
Help fix their car, give them a ride, help in an emergency, help if a neighbor is hurt, bring food. If they are sad, we can try to cheer them up. Help if their bellies are hurting. Mow a lawn.
And Kingston?
Help in the flower garden. Help the roof. Help your neighbors carry their groceries inside. Take them to get gas. Help do the dishes after a party.
And turn around. Thank you, first graders.
We are currently registering kindergarten students for the next school year. Children need to be turning 5 years old on or before September 1st in order to be eligible for next year's kindergarten class. To register, you'll need a birth certificate, 2 proofs of address, student health physical, and shots before the first day of school, dated no earlier than August 10th, 2020, and a new student application. We are also accepting new student applications in grades 1 to 12 if you have any friends or neighbors that are interested in joining the PBMA family. Please let your friends or family know that registration is now open. Here's Ms. Fisher with an elementary art update.
Hey guys, it's Ms. Fisher here. I just want to give you a little art update. I have Brondi here from 4th grade. I have David and Paola here from 5th grade. And we've been working on some perspective drawing, so I just wanted to share. Right behind me you can see we've been doing some beaches. And basically they're adding all their details. I wanted Brondi to share his because he has amazing details on his picture. Go ahead, Brondi, tell what you drew.
So I drew a yacht and a Titanic. The Titanic was really hard to make because I had to think about it in my head. So I added lifeboats and I added the co-captain's place and the captain. And so this is the front bow, and these are the things right here that show the smoke because of the co-workers. And here is the exits of the the Titanic.
Excellent job, Rondi. That was amazing. Fifth grade is doing a little bit of a different perspective, and their perspective is as if you're looking up at a city. So this was a little challenging, but they came out amazing. I have David and Paula here to share. David's in the process of working on his. Paula finished. Tell us what you thought about this project, David. Go ahead.
I thought it was really cool, like you were actually looking up at the buildings, and it just looks so weird.
So David's going to be finishing his up today, and Paula, go ahead, Paula. What did you think of this project?
I think it was very nice, and I like doing different stuff, and I like how I did mine.
Good job, honey. And we also have Sebastian's here, who his came out amazing as well. He was not here to talk about it, but I just wanted to share. So that's what's happening in art. Perspective drawings coming up. We're going to be talking about artists, and we're going to be doing some things that represent certain artists, and that's it. We're having a good time, so take care and keep making that art.
Here's a moment in Black history from the secondary school.
Hello, my name is Shauna August, 8th grader reporting from secondary campus. This week in Black history. On February 14th, 1867, Morehouse College was organized in Augusta, Georgia. On February 15th, 1968, Henry Lewis becomes the first black to lead a symphony orchestra in the United States. On February 16th, 1857, Frederick Douglass elected president of Freeman Bank and Trust. And on the same day in 1923, Bessie Smith makes her first recording, Downhearted Blues. February 16, 1951, New York City Council passes a bill prohibiting racial discrimination in city-assisted housing developments. On February 17, 1997, Virginia House of Delegates votes unanimously to retire the state song Carry Me Back to Old Virginia, a tune that glorifies slavery. On February 18, 1688, first formal protest against slavery organized by white-body English in America, made by Germantown Quakers at monthly meeting. On February 19, 1919, Pan-African Congress, organized by W.E.B. Du Bois, met at the Grand Hotel, Paris. There were 57 delegates, 16 from the United States, 14 from Africa, as well as others from 16 countries and colonies. On February 20th, 1895, Frederick Douglass, who was a major abolitionist, lecturer, and editor, died in Washington, D.C. Thanks for watching.
And finally, here are our secondary honor roll students. remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.